Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. In today's video, we will discuss Python arrays. An array is a special variable which can hold more than one value at a time. So basically, arrays are also a tool to store values or data. If you have a list of items, such as a list of car names, for example, storing the cars in a single variable could look like this. So we can store or call a number of list of car names or any variable in a single array. So here we have three variables: car 1, Ford; car 2, Volvo; car 3, BMW. So that's how we can store data or variables in Python arrays. Now let's see an example of Python arrays, how we can actually store data in it. So here we have three car names. So we will write cars is equal to, with this simple bracket, large bracket, and then the three variables Ford, Volvo, BMW, and simply print these by writing cars in the parenthesis bracket. So that's all from today's video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.